Hello students, I am Shubhashish. Children, today we are going to learn about integers. Integers are whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero. Think about a thermometer. When it gets very cold, the temperature can drop below zero, showing negative numbers. When it's warm, we see positive numbers. In your daily life, you might see integers when talking about money. If you have 500 rupees, that's a positive integer. If you owe someone 500 rupees, that's a negative integer. Integers are important in many ways, and today we'll discover how to add and subtract them using a number line. Let's get started. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to understand what integers are and how they work in real life. Learn to add and subtract integers using a number line. Recognize the additive inverse of any integer. Identify the properties of addition and subtraction for integers. Keywords from this lesson are integers, whole numbers, positive numbers, negative numbers, addition, subtraction, additive inverse, commutative property, associative property, and additive identity. Children, now let us see what integers is. A whole number from 0 to positive or negative infinity is called integers. Means it is a set of numbers which include 0, positive natural numbers and negative natural numbers. It is denoted by the letter Z. Z is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Now we will see integers on number line. On the number line, for positive integers, we move to the right from 0, and for negative integers, move to the left of 0. Facts about how to add and subtract integers on the number line. If we add a positive integer, we go to the right. Six plus 3 is equal to 9. -6 plus 3 is equal to -3. If we add a negative integer, we go to the left. -6 plus of minus 3 is equal to minus 9. If we subtract a positive integer, we go to the left. Minus 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 7. If we subtract a negative integer, we go to the right. Minus 8 minus of minus 12 is equal to 4. Now let us see the additive inverse of an integer. The negative of any number is the additive inverse of that number. The additive inverse of 5 is minus 5 and additive inverse of minus 5 is plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. 14 plus minus 14 is equal to 0. This shows that the number which we add to a number to get 0 is the additive inverse of that number. Children, now let us see the properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Closure under addition. For the closure property, the sum of two integers must be an integer, then it will be closed under addition. Examples: 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus of minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. Minus 2 plus of minus 3 is equal to minus 5. As you can see that the addition of two integers will always be an integer. Hence, integers are closed under addition. If we have two integers p and q, p plus q is an integer. Closure under subtraction. If the difference between two integers is also an integer, then it is said to be closed under subtraction. Examples: 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 7 minus of minus 2 is equal to 9. Minus 7 minus 2 is equal to minus 9. Minus 7 minus of minus 2 is equal to minus 5. As you can see that the subtraction of two integers will always be an integer. Hence, integers are closed under subtraction. For any two integers, p and q, p minus q is an integer. Commutative property. If we change the order of the integers while adding, then also the result is the same. Then it is said that addition is commutative for integers. For any two integers, p and q, p plus q is equal to q plus p. Examples: 23 plus of minus 30 is equal to minus 7. Minus 30 plus 23 is equal to minus 7. There is no difference in answer after changing the order of the numbers. If we change the order of the integers while subtracting, then the result is not the same, so subtraction is not commutative for integers. For any two integers p and q, p minus q not equal to q minus p will not always equal. Example: 23 minus of minus 30 is equal to 53. Minus 30 minus 23 is equal to minus 53. The answer is different after changing the order of the numbers. Associative property. If we change the grouping of the integers while adding in case of more than two integers and the result is same, then we will call it that addition is associative for integers. For any three integers p, q and r, p plus of q plus r is equal to p plus q plus r. Example: if there are three integers 3, 4 and 1 and we change the grouping of numbers, then 3 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 1. 3 plus 4 of plus 1 is equal to 3 plus of 4 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 5. 8 is equal to 8. The result remains the same, hence addition is associative for integers. Additive identity. If we add 0 to an integer, we get the same integer as the answer. So, 0 is an additive identity for integers. For any integer p, p plus 0 is equal to 0 plus p is equal to p. Example: 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Minus 7 plus 0 is equal to minus 7. Points to remember. Integers include positive numbers, negative numbers and 0, all important in math and everyday life. Use a number line to easily add and subtract integers by moving left or right. The additive inverse of a number makes it 0 when added together, like 5 and minus 5. Remember that addition is commutative and associative, meaning order and grouping do not change the result. Thanks for watching.